Hi guys, what's up? Today's video is going to be really interesting, especially for all you gentlemen out there, because this is one issue that all men have faced at some point, and that is either thinning hair or a bald patch or balding. This is something that has caused confidence issues, self-esteem, mental health issues with a lot of men. So there's a lot of questions and discussion out there. But today I'm not really here to address the issue of thinning hair or balding or anything. That can be a whole different video altogether. But I've decided to show you a little grooming hack. Now, I discovered this product that can make like thinning hair look really nice and thick. You know, it's really nice as a temporary fix. So I decided to do this demonstration. This is not a sponsored post, guys. But first, before I get on with the video, may I request each of you to hit the subscribe button on my channel, Riaan George, where I'm going to post all these grooming hacks, guys. I would love your support. I'd love to hear from you and interact with you as much as possible. I do a lot of grooming style hacks, tutorials, and of course lots of travel content and my daily life here in Mumbai. So you're definitely going to find this channel exciting. Let's get back to today's topic, which is a magic trick that I'm going to show you, or a magic product on how you can make your thinning hair look thick. So as you can see, I've done nothing to my hair right now. Okay, let me give you a bit of context about my personal hair. Okay, I do not have thinning hair or a bald patch just yet. I'm 39 years old and I'm very lucky and thankful. You know, I don't know when that will happen because it's really unpredictable. Also, I do take care of my hair a lot. However, that being said, I've got a very thin texture of scalp and hair, you know. So for example, if you part my hair like this, you can actually see the scalp. So this has always been like this. It does not vary. People ask me, are you thinning at the top or do you have thin hair or a bald patch? And I'm like, no, I've always been like that. I've had very, very thin texture. As a result, if I put gel or hair wax to style my hair, very often the scalp gets visible because the hair like clumps together, so the scalp is visible, so it often looks like I have a bald patch or a thinning hair. So today I'm going to try out these products. It's called the Topic Hair Building Fiber. So this is a great temporary fix if you want to go out or go for an event or something and you want to make your hair look a little thicker. So this is not a permanent solution, it's just for an evening. Like, now this is a very famous company around the world called Topic. They do these artificial hair building fibers and they just come to India. So the product, the whole process involves two stages. So it's got this and this. So this is basically a hair building fiber, like a powder. So it comes with the color of your hair. So I've got dark brown here and I've got black. Okay, so this costs 2,200 rupees. Now what you basically need to do, this is what it looks like. What you basically need to do is sprinkle this powder on your head generously. Okay, so I'm sprinkling the powder, and then the next step, so now that the powder is all sprinkled, okay, so that's the hair building fiber powder, and then it is this fixing spray that costs 2,000 rupees. So you've got the set for 4,200. So what you basically need to do is spray this on your hair so that it kind of builds those fibers and gives that impression of volume. So 6 feet away, and this is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm gonna style it right now. So as you can see, instantly guys, there is an impression of having a lot of volume. So I'm just going to try and show you, I mean, as best as you can through the camera. There's an impression that like my hair has suddenly become thicker. Can you see it? And then of course you're going to style it. So I've just gone and looked at myself in the mirror and I can definitely see that the texture has improved. It's become like a thicker mop of hair till I wash my hair, of course. So this is great. I mean, it's really changed my overall hair look. If you remember at the start of the video, my hair was really chatta and now it's like nice and set and everything. So I can't wait to style it. And yeah, so once again guys, this is what the products are. So they are Topic. This is not a sponsored post. Once again, I want to remind you, so I just thought I'd do this demonstration for you. Though this looks like a product plug, there's a dark brown as well. You can check them out. In the meanwhile, of course guys, leave me your honest feedback in the comments. Can you see a change in the texture? Can you see how it's changed? I'd love to hear from you and have an exchange with you. leave me your comments. I'm going to try and respond to each of you personally. I'd love to hear from you. And of course, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Riaan George. There's lots of grooming content, so you get the best reviews on skincare, hair care for men and style tutorials. So I'd love to hear from you. And of course, till my next video.